Gotta eat it's an emergency. I've just received an urgent text from Mrs. Claus. The elves from Flight Control report at recent weigh-ins that there's so many extra toys this year, if Santa eats the normal amount of standard cookies, he won't be able to fly. It goes on to say that to ensure that Santa doesn't get stuck while delivering presents to children this year, the elves recommend that he only eats healthy cookies this year. GT, I need your help. I'm making you an honorary elf. If Santa can't fly and gets stuck, there'll be lots of disappointed children and they'll have to deploy the Elf Emergency Rescue Service, something they've never done before. Gotta eat us, the world's children are depending on us. I've got 3 great healthy cookie recipes for you to make and share. Santa's depending on us. Let's rock! Sweet Christmas delights. To a large bowl, add the ingredients and mix into a dough. Wrap the dough in cling film and put it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Flour the bench before rolling out the dough to 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Using your favourite cutters, cut the cookies. Evenly place the cookies on a lined baking tray and place in a preheated oven of 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Once the cookies have cooled, you can decorate them. Here I'm using ready-made icing. Not bad for a beginner. These cookies are delicious. The elves have passed sweet Christmas delights for Santa's flight. Ginger surprises. Sift the dry ingredients into a medium bowl. In a larger bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Slowly add the dry ingredients, not all at once like this. Mix the ingredients into a dough before portioning them on a lined baking tray. Flatten the dough into discs before placing in a preheated oven of 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Use some of the sugar to sprinkle on top of the cookies for a lovely finish. Delish! The elves have passed ginger surprises for Santa's flight. Health bombs. Combine the ingredients in a large bowl and mix into a dough. Portion the dough into balls and spread evenly on a lined baking tray. Flatten the balls into discs before placing in a preheated oven of 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Whilst the cookies are cooling, make up the dipping chocolate. Place the dipping chocolate in a small bowl and dip the cookies halfway in. Here I'm using pecans, walnuts, cranberries and desiccated coconut to decorate the cookies. These are awesome. The elves have passed health bombs for Santa's flight.
Let's support Santa and Mrs. Claus and make and share these delicious recipes. So there are lots of healthy cookies left out for Santa, so he and the reindeer can deliver presents to everyone. Let's make and share these great healthy cookies. The elves from Flight Control are monitoring the world's kitchens to make sure there's enough healthy cookies made. I know you won't let the world's children down, and there'll be lots of healthy cookie making. These healthy cookies will keep you flying. Just ask Santa. And remember, you gotta eat. Ciao. Merry Christmas.